Hey guys, we got some breaking crypto news, okay? And this is going to be one as we look for Trump media back at it again. And this is not going to be anything to do with World Liberty Financial. This will not have anything to do with the Trump token. But this will have to do with ETFs, okay? And what happened today, it kind of took the media world by storm, a huge inflow of conversation pieces that everybody's talking about right now on X, okay? And this is where we've seen a lot of the reciprocal effects, as some of the cryptos that will be mentioned in this video have done exceedingly well today because of this news. All right, so if you are a holder of these cryptos, let me know down below in the comments, and please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so down below. We'll keep this video short and sweet, under 5 minutes, and get you guys on your way. But Trump media, as it stands today, has filed for a crypto blue chip ETF. All right, now this will hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and I think a couple other alts, but there will be a list that I will get into, okay? And the one that I did leave out, okay, would be Solana and the likes of Cronos, okay? And that was kind of the outlier, and I think why it's left off the board. Personally, I don't know exactly why, but these 5 cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cronos, and XRP, coming out from the Trump Media and Technology Group, all right, the FinTech group said on Tuesday in a statement. Now, within this, they did file the S1 registration within the SEC in the United States, and within this, that calls attention to the trading that could be coming in the coming months within Trump Media. Now, a publicly traded company founded by President Trump, but the two previous filed. The firm previously filed for 2 other crypto ETFs, one that was just focused on Bitcoin, and the other one had a little bit of Bitcoin and Ethereum split up with a ratio of 75-25. And as we look at Trump Media and Technology Group, shares were up 2% over the last 24 hours, trading at $19.12. Now, this is something where we look into comments, and there was no real comments to be found. I'm sure we're going to read about on X and hear more commentary on this matter. But as we look for the blue chip ETF, now this is huge for Cronos, and I'm going to talk to you guys, and if the Crow Army is down below, please let me know in the comments, and I'll share with you guys why in a second. But as we look into this, this is where we could kind of connect the dots on this one. Now, myself as a crypto trader, I'm not the biggest ETF fan in the world, okay? Yes, it does do a lot for inflows. Yes, it does allow people who don't have access to crypto to gain access. But in today's world, I mean, if somebody doesn't have a Robinhood account and can't buy crypto on that, I just quite frankly don't know if they should be buying crypto at all. But it does increase the exposure. And what we're going to share with you in this video is kind of the negative and the positive that can come from this, okay? My only fear is that if we do have this door open with the whole ETF world, right? Bitcoin and Ethereum have had ETFs for quite some time. Other nations outside the United States have had ETPs, different offerings, and it has not really done, in my opinion, what we thought it would have done, okay? Ethereum was trading above $4,000 without an ETF, okay? Everybody thought Ethereum was going to go to $10,000 without an ETF, okay? Bitcoin, for my money, in my opinion, that's kind of where we've seen Bitcoin hit 112,000, and I think it had nothing to do with what we've seen within an ETF, okay? That's just my personal opinion. I think that the speculation and the speculative nature of these assets is what attracts investors. ETFs open up the door for the institutional finance world, where that market manipulation, the big hedge funds, the big corporations such as BlackRock, Grayscale, they can kind of allow themselves to manipulate the market, buy low, squeeze out the retail, scare people, let them run, and basically use them as exit liquidity. As essentially what they would be doing is having the power and the guns, if you will, to, in a way, do what the bad actors in crypto do, more so on a small cap, mid cap standpoint, right? Everyone that knows about kind of how crypto can be manipulated, well, ETFs allow some of these bigger hedge funds and institutions, financial institutions such as BlackRock and Grayscale, accumulate, squeeze people out, and it does create a little bit of a divide between, hey, will crypto be available for the everyday trader? Okay, the person who wants to buy Bitcoin and hold it for the next 20 years, will that person be able to do that anymore if ETFs take more of the control away from the people? And that's kind of defying what crypto was created for in the first place. And that's kind of my negative viewpoint and my fears, if you will, as it relates to the whole ETF discussion, okay? But as we look for the other ETFs, the American First Bitcoin Fund and the American First Blockchain Leaders Fund, okay, and also the America First Stablecoin Income Fund. So a lot of ETFs coming out, but I think this one was more noteworthy because of the addition of Solana, Cronos, and XRP into the fold. As we look at it right now, guys, 2.3 billion has been raised in May to establish a Bitcoin treasury within Trump Media. Okay, but they have not yet announced a Bitcoin buy as of yet. Okay, so this is kind of where we see Cronos, I think, was the definite winner in this conversation, up 23%. All right, so Cronos had a significant pump, gaining 5 spots in market cap, still sitting around a $3.10 billion market cap. That's something worth noting as well, as we do look at kind of what the other ones have done. XRP only up 1.4%, kind of immune by this announcement. Solana up 1.2%, kind of immune, as well as we do see the overall market kind of having that same sentiment, as it is a green day, but the only really significant gainer out there was Cronos. And that's why I felt relevant to discuss this in this video. So I wanted to share with you guys my take on it and talk the whole ETFs and let you know how I feel. Okay, so leave a comment down below. I want to know what you guys are thinking outside of the army, the Cronos army out there. Do you think this will benefit holders of XRP, Solana, Bitcoin, and Ethereum? Leave a comment down below. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's pretty much what the big update was for the day, as Trump Media has filed for that crypto blue chip ETF. Okay. So as I let you guys get out of here, I do want to share with you guys the exchange that I am affiliated with. If you do want to start trading on BTCC, you will get a 10% bonus on your first time deposit, 40% lower trading fees, and extra bonuses of up to $10,055 per user. Trade anytime, anywhere. Check out BTCC. That link is down below if you want to enjoy those sign-up perks. Start trading today and create an account. Okay, so appreciate you all tuning in. If you haven't done so, on your way out, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join us. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.